Hey Lakshmi, how are you? We are here in the school for inquiry. I don't know. My husband is there. We just came here to inquiry. Lakshmi school. Maybe we will come back next day or next month. Thank you so much. Bye. Yes.
You don't want to here?
It's expensive here, right?
This 120.
No, it's expensive there, Majan. Kalas, let's go there. It's not expensive there.
It's not expensive, but how much? 20, 40. Okay.
We are going to eat biryani here in India. And my husband is there. Hey, which one you like, Lakshmi? This is like... Look here. We are here in the city. Palamig siya. Ito naman siya. Ang init. Nagtitinginan sila yung iba nakatingin sa akin. First time baga nila makakita ng maganda. Charot. Oh, you like that? Okay. And dito kami para tapos lang namin sa school, so magano kami, magpapalamig. Ayan yung hindi, ice cream to. Almond shake. Dito kami ngayon sa Maharajan City ng aming lugar. So, nagpunta kami sa school para sa anak ko. Pero titignan pa namin, babalik kami ulit kasi nag-inquire lang kami. Napaka-expensive pa ng school dito sa India. Grabe. Katulad sa Pinas, walang bayan. Ang dami nagbebenta ng prutas dito, kaya mura ang prutas dito. Ganito sa India, masyadong magulo ang dito. Ang mga sasakyan dito masyadong magulo. Tingnan nyo naman. Look here. Magulo masyado. Ayan, medyo maluwag na ang daan. At ito sa likod. Maluwag na ang daan. Itong daan is way to Radish. Yung pangalan ng restaurant. Radish Biryani. So pupunta kami doon kasi doon kami kakain. Doon kami manananghalian. Masarap kasi doon. Isang plato, 100 rupees. Let's go, guys! Thank you! Over here, we will eat biryani. Yummy biryani here in our... I don't know, chop yan. Lakshmi is there. Hi Lakshmi, are you washing your hands? Spicy biryani and not spicy for my cute daughter. And for me, spicy. My husband is already eating.